Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to update the location of the parcels in the Australian Post application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page, and then click on the delivery preferences, and then click on the leave signature parcels in a safe place button, and then at the end at the where should we leave your parcels section, click on the button below it. And so here is the place where you can choose where should they leave your parcels if you're not at home. So you can set it for at the front door, or on the front porch, or in the mailbox, but that's only possible if the size allows it. So just click on the one that you want, and then click on the save button at the top of the page on the right, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.